Welcome to this section. Attract exactly what you want and need. Before you attract, before the attraction takes place, there must be a signal, and this signal will come from you, no one else. Forget about others, what they are thinking about you. Don't think so much, because when it comes to law of attraction, no one is more important than you, and your importance is heightened as your thoughts begin to attract exactly what you want and need at the precise moment that you begin using the law of attraction. Your thoughts have a frequency, and everything emits a frequency. Even the humble atom has its own vibrations. And it is important that your thoughts emit a frequency that will attract the things that you want. Simple thoughts will begin to attract real things. However, if there is resistance to the idea that you can attract the things that you want in life, the effect of the law of attraction will be dampened. Now, how there will be resistance to the idea that you can attract the things that you want? Maybe you have doubt in your own idea. You don't believe in your own idea. You are having some kind of hesitation about your own idea at different levels of your thoughts. That will not make you to attract everything what you want in the law of attraction, and it results in the dampening of the law of attraction. There are different levels of consciousness which we all need to remember. They are the id, the ego, and the superego. Now, all these are the different levels of consciousness what we as humans have. So, all the three levels of the consciousness must believe in the primacy of the law of attraction. So, you would have no resistance in your thoughts to the idea that you can manifest the things that you want. Your all levels of consciousness, the id, the ego, the superego, has to believe in the idea what you want to happen in reality. How can we do that? How can you manifest the things where the consciously you can make the id, the ego, superego accept the idea? Then only your thoughts are now shaping into your reality. Thoughts to reality, remind yourself so often so that the resistance to the law of attraction will be finally broken. You repeat what you want, have a visual, make that visual come very often in your brain, like you have achieved the success, you have multiple sources of money coming into your accounts. Imagine that as many times as possible in the daytime or in the night time. Whenever you are thinking, think of it so repeatedly so that there is no resistance to your idea, and the law of attraction will bring it down and happen it for you. Believe in the primacy of the law of attraction so that all other forms of thinking, rationality, become secondary to the law of attraction. There are so many things in the universe where there is no logical answer for it. My dear friends, I am telling you, there are so many things in this world where science has not answered such questions, but their existence in reality, they are there. That's why place your belief in the law of attraction so firmly that no other thinking Rationality will ask you or question the law of attraction. The forms of thoughts that only limit your ability to manifest things in reality, that should be discarded, because these so-called rational thoughts are actually the culprits to your success. Throw them away. Throw them far away from you. Believe in what you want. The law of attraction is there to give you whatever you want. You believed and you have the firm thoughts in you. The rationality thoughts, the doubting thoughts are the culprits, the bondages that are stopping you to achieve your success. Please, my dear folks, remove it. Remove all the doubts. Discard them, all of them. Abolish them. Make your own paths to success. Believe. Believe in the primacy of the law of attraction so firmly that all the rationality, thinking, everything becomes secondary to the law of attraction. That's all we have in this section. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next section.